Zoe.
Whoa! Hi! This is so cool.
This is epic.
I know.
Okay.
I like one.
Let's go forward.
Say hi.
We're just gonna crash the bus. It's alright.
Hi, Dad.
Oh, you guys are too dry?
See you later!
Uh-oh, look
Get him,
out.
Ashlyn.
So later.
How'd that go, Zoe?
That went horrible. Oh, that's a rock.
Uh-oh.
The
rock.
That was fun. Back there because I didn't have. Wait. I want to go up there.
What do you think, Danny?
It's awesome.
You
It's
see
fun.
more rocks straight ahead?
What do you think, Ashlyn?
This is so fun. Wow. That wasn't that bad. I can't get any better. Any better. That. Okay, I'm going to go right now.
Oh!
Watch out! Get up! Get up!
I'm glad that I was wearing my swimsuit.
Hey, I'll definitely make sure I move right.
Okay, this is not bad.
House. Whoa.
Do you think she's gonna come for a float with us?
Yes. No.
Hi. Hi.
I think it's cute.
Are you cute or what?
Attack dog.
It's so small. It's so cute. Hello, Dad. Hello, Dad.
Every once in a while you'll see an Australian Shepherd.
Hey, what a cool place to have a house.
Colored eyes. Have you ever seen that?
That's very cool.
Let's go
Who's
forward.
that close to us?
Or 3. Three. I'm gonna go horse for good luck.
Hello, guys. Watch out.
Uh-oh, don't hit your head. Oh no! There's a bat. Oh wow, there's all these bird droppings. Bird nests everywhere in there. Look at all those bird nests.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of
Those are
birds.
river hornets.
This is fun. Yeah, can I use your phone? Yeah, I'll fair trade.
Nice.
Oh, sorry. He's scared.
How are you doing, Lola?
Very cool.
Look guys, it's a shark.
Oh, nice! Eat my foot off. Dump truck.
Go like a dump truck.
That is money. The dump truck is there.
You're a dump truck?
The screen's like broken. It's funny, like the screen doesn't work anymore.
Oh, really?
Oh my gosh, a horse. Hi, Baconator.
Hi, horsey horse.
It's like you were invited. Guys, this water feels so good. Oh yeah. There you go. Dad, you should touch the water. It feels very good. I know. I'm touching
Does it feel good?
Yeah.
Show us.
What are they gonna do? Look at all those hay bales and there's nowhere to put them.
Yeah.
They're gonna build a house with hay bales.
Is that what they're gonna do?
Wow, look at all that hay. Yeah, with just going. Or
I think
maybe
the
that's
big bad wolf will
But
blow
what-
that.
Is this? Guys, is this?
Are you, how about this fish down here? Are you scared of this fish? The one that's right here by my paddle?
No.
See it there?
Oh.
What did he do? Yeah,
I'll show you.
Oh, what are you talking about? I thought you were scared. I was trying to make you validate your point.
We have a right.
That's called a river spitter right there. That fish.
Ah, don't fall behind
forward 3.
Ready.
Oh, I just touched the mermaid hair.
2.
You go fast. Paddle super fast. You
How about if we go
paddle
hyper
super
fast?
fast. You paddle
How
fast.
about mega fast?
Mega fast. Yes. Okay.
Let's go over this rapid.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go all forward. All forward.
I can't Woo! That's amazing! I only got splashed on my feet. That was amazing! I'm slipping back. That's what happened to me after. That's why I came back here. Yeah, I'm slipping back.
Okay. Do you want to go back?
I'm not!
Okay.
Welcome back. Two.
Now get a chance to
Okay.
Now give me 2 backward strokes.
Paddle as fast as you can. Splash them. No. Oh, God. Go away.
Get him. Grab it.
Go forward 2.
That's mine. No,
Look, there's Asher. There's Asher. What's up, dude?
Guys, this is why you sign those liability waivers. All right, you ready, guys?
Oh
Let's
gosh.
go forward 2. And remember, if a rock comes in front of us, to fall back into the boat. Don't go out the front, okay?
Oh my gosh. Hello, Lola. Hello. Oops, there's water. Where's the picture guy?
Picture guy went home to his wife and kids.
There we go. Now it's less blurry.
All right, you guys, let's go all forward, paddling forward. There we go. Nice. I like it.
Oh
Nice. Ah! Forward 3, forward 5, make it 5.
no. Oh no.
Nice, there we go. Now we're paddling. That's good stuff. I like it. Forward 2.
Oh
Let's bonk them. They're in our way. Get them. Go
no.
bonk.
Get him. No.
Whoa, look out. There's white water everywhere.
Hey.
Do
Keep
any
it
of you
down,
guys
keep it
know
down.
what an arch is?
Yes.
You do know what an arch is.
Yeah.
I'm going to show you. I'm going to point you towards one. You tell me when you see one.
Right there.
Bang, ding, ding. Does everybody see that arch up there?
Yes, there's
Up there on the mountainside? We call that one the Dragon's Eye. Does that mountain look like a big dragon?
Yes.
That one's cool, huh? This conglomerate rock is really neat. There are a lot of fossils in these rocks, too. Does anybody know where fossils come from?
No, well, I don't go to school anymore.
Dinosaurs. They come from dinosaurs.
Oh, sorry.
Dinosaurs used to live right here where we're at right now. Dinosaurs.
I didn't get that. Adela, can I have the fresh when you're done? Like, yeah, when I'm done. This is going to be it.
What do you think, Danny?
Why did they do that?
I bet guy standing up, you can jump right in.
Me? Hey, watch out, Asher. No, Asher, watch out, bud.
Yeah, you're good. If you stand up, you'll be able to jump off there.
Dad, watch your head.
Yeah.
Nice job. Hey, at least get it, right? Got it, man. No fear. My finger got chicken for
Hello.
We come in peace. We're already too cold.
We come in peace.
Now give me the gun.
That's the opposite of coming in peace.
Give me the,
Very good.
give me the gun. Give me the gun. Go on the other side if you want. Guys, we have a gun.
On the bottom of the
Told
boat,
ya.
my feet over one side, head over the other, and you're going to pay attention or not. And I'm going to
I'm tired and
walk
hungry.
underneath this bridge here in a bit.
Wait,
But
what?
if we don't go down there, you may be a victim of concussion bridge. Concussion. You don't
what the
wanna
heck?
Just close your mouth. You don't want the spiders to fall in, okay?
And so we had to get down because we got a bridge.
This is in your hair. I don't want you to freak out.
Concussion,
But,
solo railroad ties.
watch right behind you.
Railroad ties.
Don't freak out, Ashley.
You guys okay?
There's a bug in Ashley's hair, and I'm telling her not to freak out.
Paddle that way,
Need to
and then
do-
it takes maybe an hour. Get back.
Yeah, if you get out and look at it, you'd be
Are there any pebbles surrounding
Yeah,
it?
we'll be going back.
all the squiggles and smooth.
It takes a little bit longer to make
That's
it through, but it's
awesome.
okay.
Hey, oh, look, we have that gun.
She doesn't see so. You guys can't be trusted with heavy artillery.
It's not, you know, it's. I mean, when
Hey,
you
well,
look at
yeah,
it,
you
you're
see
like,
something
whoa, this
that
is
you
Like,
like.
you're close, I just want to see close to the side.
Yeah. We go right by it. It's cool. Let's go too
Over to you
forward.
guys.
Here, hold this kitty cutie.
It smells like tires.
Smells like industry and science.
Look at
Smells
this. Who are those? Oh my gosh, who are they? They're just kidding. There are annoying brothers and stuff. Okay. It smells. Now it smells like mints.
Like really dirty mints.
Yeah, like oil with mints, like tires and mints in a blender. Hello. Dad, I'm scared I'm gonna drop this. Oh God.
Called the Devil Slide.
Cool, huh? And that's cool. That's the first snowboarder that tried to go down the double slide. His head wound up right there.
I need to keep it safe. No. I know how.
His name up there? His name was El Diablo. He's a professional snowboarder.
Yeah, I think snow, isn't it? We're thousands of miles away from civilization. 1, 2, 3.
Hey, Lola, can you hand me the water bottle by the blue bag behind you? Behind you? Okay, can you just find that water bottle? Okay.
Oh! Woo! Whoa! See your face. That was awesome. Uh-oh. Woo!
Watch these guys spin out.
It's hard. They all kind of blend together in my head.
What's that?
They all kind of blend together in my head. I don't know.
Yeah, we watched this one a while ago.
Is the second one where he's like in purgatory and they have to go find him? This is cool. So we're under. Hi, Beba. We're under the freeway. Hey, girls.
Hello. Hello there, Master Kenobi.